Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a chatbot in ManyChat in 2026. Whether you want to automate customer support, generate leads, or reply to messages instantly, ManyChat makes the process simple. So let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then connect your Facebook page, Instagram account, or another supported messaging channel. Next, go to the automation section and click Create New Flow ****. Yeah, this is where you'll build your chatbot conversation. Now, add a trigger to decide when the chatbot should start. You can use keywords, button clicks, new messages, comments, or other supported triggers. After that, create your chatbot replies by adding text messages, images, buttons, quick replies, or user input steps. You can connect different blocks together to create a complete conversation flow. Before publishing, test your chatbot using the preview option or by sending a message from your connected account. Make any necessary changes, then activate the automation when you're satisfied with the results. And that's it. You've successfully created a chatbot in ManyChat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.